Hello, welcome back to the channel. Great to see you again. Today, we'll be diving straight into how to use UPBASE for managing your virtual reality projects in the most efficient way possible. First off, we're going to start with setting up your UPBASE account. Head over to upbase.com, click on Sign Up, and follow the prompts to create your account. This is the foundation of all your future project management endeavors, so ensure you choose a secure password and remember it. Once we've done that, we'll want to start creating our first project. On the dashboard, you'll find an option to create new project. Click on that and fill in the details of your project, like its name, description, and estimated timeline. This helps us because it gives structure to our VR project and helps to manage expectations. Now that our project is set up, it's time to add tasks. Go to the Tasks tab in your project's dashboard, click on Add New Task, and detail what needs to be done, who's responsible, and the deadline. The reason we do this is to break down the project into manageable chunks and allocate resources effectively. Next up, we'll be setting up our team. Go to the Team tab and invite your team members by their email addresses. This allows you to delegate tasks, communicate effectively, and track progress all within the UPBASE platform. After setting up the team, we move to the Files section. Here, you can upload all relevant files and documents related to your VR project. It's a centralized location for all project-related materials, which reduces the risk of misplacing crucial information. Now let me explain why this matters. UPBASE allows for real-time tracking of your VR project. By using the Progress tab, you can see the status of your tasks, deadlines, and overall project progress. It's a dynamic and visual way to ensure that your project is moving forward as planned. Lastly, we have the Discussion tab. Here, you can communicate with your team about the project. It's a space for brainstorming, problem-solving, and keeping everyone in the loop. So, there you have it, a quick and easy guide to using UPBASE for managing your virtual reality projects. Remember, the key here is organization and effective communication. Now, go ahead and start managing your projects like a pro. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, happy project managing.